In this video, I will be showing you how to add an embedded YouTube video in a Canva website. Let's get started. I begin on the Canva homepage, where I have all my recent designs listed. I locate my website project, which in this case is a bakery website, and I click on it to open the project in the Canva editor. Once the editor loads, I scroll down through the pages of the website to see the current layout and find the best spot to feature a video. I pass through the main header, the product list, and the order section, going all the way down to the bottom. To give our video its own dedicated section, I click on the Add Page button below the last section. This creates a clean, blank page where I can embed our media. Now, I head over to the left sidebar menu and click on Apps. In the search bar at the top of the Apps panel, I type Embed to find the embedding tools. From the results that appear, I select the official Embed app. This opens up the Embed Media panel on the left side of the screen. In the web link box, I paste the URL of the YouTube video that I want to include. With the link pasted into the field, I click on the purple Add to Design button. Canva immediately places the interactive YouTube video directly onto my newly created page. To make it look balanced and visually appealing, I click on the video frame and drag it toward the center. I then grab the corner handles and stretch them outward to enlarge the player so it fits the width of the page perfectly. I deselect the element to see the finished layout with our responsive video player ready for website visitors to watch. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to add embedded YouTube video in Canva website.